If your WordPress forms are getting fake leads, spam submission, or useless phone number, then we have the fix that you are looking for. In this video, I'll show you how to enable OTP verification in FormGent and make sure only real user can submit your form. Starting with SMS gateway configuration, then enable both email and SMS OTP on a form. Before using SMS verification, you need to connect to a SMS provider. This is a one-time global setup. Go to FormGent, then Setting, then SMS Gateway, and choose your provider from the drop-down. For Twilio, enter account SID, auth token, and form phone number. You will find all three inside your Twilio console account info. The auth token field is masked. Click the eye icon to reveal it. For Firebase, enter project ID and web API key. Both are available in Firebase console, then project settings, then general. For custom gateway, enter API endpoint URL, method set to post, and your auth type. Then define the JSON body template using to for the recipient number and message for the SMS content. Finally, set the success response key and value so FormGent can confirm successful delivery. Click Save Changes and your SMS provider is now connected side-wide. Now open any form and go to Single Form Settings. Before enable OTP, make sure your form includes an email field, a contact number field, or both. Find OTP verification and turn it on. Now choose your verification type, email, require working SMTP on your WordPress site, or SMS uses the gateway you just configured. For this demo, I'll enable both, starting with email, then switching to SMS. Select the field where the OTP will be sent. If there's only one matching field, FormGent automatically selected and shows a confirmation. Now configure the behavior. OTP expiry default 5 times, max attempts default 5, recent cooldown default 45 seconds. Then apply to both email and SMS. For email OTP, set your subject line, default is your verification code. Then edit the message using the visual editor. Use OTP for the code and expiry for the validated time. For SMS OTP, you get a plain text field. Keep it short and use the same placeholders, OTP and expiry. Click Save Changes. Now when you preview the form, the OTP step appears before submission is completed. And that's the complete OTP setup in FormGent. The SMS gateway is configured once and verification runs on any form in minute. Full documentation link in the description. This is 𝘂𝗵𝘆 and I will see you in the next one.